All right, so we're going to work on something that a lot of people really struggle with. So we're going to break this down into a really decent sized chunk of ear training exercises. What your goal now is to try to identify basically thirds apart from fifths. And we're going to start with major thirds, as just like with major chords, they have kind of a positive sound. And we're going to practice identifying them separately from perfect fifths. Perfect fifths are so-called perfect because they can't be made major or minor. That's a whole other discussion, but that's the language we're going to use to identify them. So a perfect fifth has a pretty open sound, whereas a major third, ba-da-dum, 1, 2, 3, we only have to travel 3 intervals too, so it's a shorter distance. Whereas the fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, requires a longer transit time to get to. Now, we're only going to be doing exercises that are going up before we try mixing them up with ones that are going down. In intervals that are going up, what I really like to give people is a song to anchor it to. So if we have a third, I think the third sounds really nicely with Oh, When the Saints Go Marching In, the very beginning. Oh, when the saints. So if you hear that ascending third, you can think about, does this sound like the beginning of a When the Saints Go Marching In? Whereas a fifth, a perfect fifth, sounds like the beginning of Lavender's Blue, dilly dilly. It sounds like the very beginning of Lavender's Blue. So if you hear a perfect fifth and you're just trying to confirm if that's what it is, does it match the song Lavender's Blue, or does it sound more like the beginning of a When the Saints Go Marching In? Okay, so I'm going to mix these up so you can practice identifying them now. With this interval, maybe you can hear the beginning of Lavender's Blue. This is the perfect fifth. We've got another Lavender's Blue opening. It's a perfect fifth. Ba-da-da-da. This one's a major third because we can hear Oh, when the saints, the beginning of Saints Go Marching In. Perfect fifth. Lavender's Blue. Major third. Oh, when the saints. Major third. In the deep bass range, Lavender's Blue, perfect fifth. This one is a major third. This one is a major third. Major third. And last one. Finishing up with a perfect fifth.